Welcome to MATLAB Lesson 3. Today, we're diving into the powerful world of matrices. Matrices are fundamental to MATLAB, providing a concise way to handle data and perform complex calculations. If you're still using Excel for complex data, it's time to upgrade. MATLAB matrices are your new best friend for data manipulation. Let's start with how to define and create a matrix in MATLAB's command window. We define a 2x2 matrix A by typing A equals bracket 1 space 2 semicolon 3 space 4 close bracket. Remember, the semicolon acts as the row separator, moving you to the next row in the matrix. A vector is simply a matrix with only one row or one column. Let's create a column vector. We define vector B as a column vector. B equals bracket 5 semicolon 6 close bracket. This is a 2-row, 1-column matrix. Now that we have our matrices, we can perform standard mathematical operations on them, starting with addition. To add A and B, we simply type A plus B. Note that matrices must have compatible dimensions for addition. Next, let's look at matrix multiplication, which is a powerful tool in linear algebra. To multiply A by B, use the asterisk, A times B. The inner dimensions must match for this operation. Sometimes you need to perform an operation on each corresponding element of two matrices, which is where element-wise operations come in. The key to element-wise operations is the period, or dot, placed before the operator, such as dot times. For example, A dot times A will multiply each element of A by itself, squaring every element individually. That wraps up our introduction to creating and performing basic operations with matrices in MATLAB. Quick recap. Use a space to separate elements in a column and a semicolon to start a new row. Easy peasy. Stay tuned for Lesson 4, where we will explore more advanced matrix manipulations. See you then!